Yeah, listen, children, it happens, and especially during this lockdown duration, when it is happening with everyone, either it is the students or it is the teachers, everyone is bounded within the fixed boundaries, right? So, this is the thing which is happening with all of us right now. First of all, we need to understand this thing, right? What happens actually when we think that something is there for which only I'm subjected, right? I'm targeted, just I'm suffering, then that suffering actually becomes very, very hyper for us. Getting my point? And when we accept this reality that for present, so when the situation is the truth for everyone, then it becomes a little bit comparatively easier to digest, right? One thing. Second thing is that it's really very natural and very normal thing that whenever we are bound to our restrictions, some things wherever we are bounded, it's natural phenomena that our instinct pulls us that we should have some refreshment, some entertainment, and especially some outings, right? That's not wrong thing, and it is quite natural and should be there, right? It's creating from inside because it's the need of the body and the mind as well, right? So for that, it is very must that yes, we should do that. Now the thing is that outing is not allowed if in case some sort of curfews are there, and outside the so-called security masters are there who are just standing with their some canes in the hands, and they're always ready to beat and punish us just with just for some simple outing also. Then in that case, what can be done? In that case, at least take the help of the roof. We all have at least a single roof in our house, in our flats, in our residence. Now the question arises, it's summer season going on, and the whole day, entire day, it's very warm, and who is going to enjoy this whole warmth, right? Correct. Now for that, what happens now? There is a schedule for each and everything. In the morning, if you just pick out some time from your schedule, if you are not able to wake up in the morning at 4 o'clock, fine. 5 o'clock, fine, no problem. At least 6 o'clock you wake up. 6 o'clock is the max limit. It should not get exceeded, right? And 6 o'clock, within half an hour, get refreshed and then move out to your roof. That time it's not that warmth. Moreover, that much sunlight, that much warmth, and that fresh air in the morning is very must for maintaining our health, both physical as well as mental, right? And believe me, just apply this thing. The morning, first of all, just once you fill up yourself with that fresh sunlight, fresh oxygen. You may do some pranayam and some sukshma vyayam kriya also. That is going to give you immense amount of energy for the whole day, and believe me, you will not even feel as if you need to go somewhere or need to meet and talk to somebody else, right? And then third thing is that we need to redesign our ambition, redesign. No, if any stream or career path we have already chosen, so we better know, I just want to become a doctor or engineer or whatever, right? But still, it's not that. This is a kind of broad ambition, right? Apart from that, for each day also we must design some goal, that how am I making myself to reach to my goal. Getting my point? So every day utilize it. We are not, see, although it's not good whatever is happening, too many people are facing so much financial problems also. Many business and services are being collapsed, companies are being collapsed. But how we can pick out something good from too many things which are very bad? The thing is that you can think at least I can do something very creative in this spare time I have received. Because in life, no one knows when we become so much of busy, and we feel कि काश वो टाइम आए कि मैं कुछ वक्त अपने लिए, कुछ करने के लिए, कुछ सोचने के लिए निकाल सकूं. Getting my point? So that's very important. And fourth thing is that कि just take good diet. It's a summer season, warmth बढ़ता है तो उस condition में it's very difficult to feel fresh. Have twice or thrice you take the bath also, okay, and take some cold items only and not very crispy and very fiery and very junk foods and all. Take fresh vegetables, fruits and juices and all right. This will keep you very light. And next thing, last thing regarding the online classes, as many students might be feeling this thing, that going to the school and having some that limited periods and that offline schedule was fine, okay, and for online they are finding it exhaustive. See, what I feel that you better know more than the teachers, the students better know that how conveniently they are attending the classes. Cameras are off, you are at home sitting over the your bed or your chair or whatever, you're too comfortable. Take it easy, take it positively, do not get panic, right? Because it is happening with everyone, my child. It's happening with everyone. So feel easy, dear. And believe me, last but not the least thing is that this time will also move ahead. No time is stable, as the morning comes after the night. Similarly, this time will also go off. Just utilize this time because it's our responsibility only. No one else can suggest us and make us this time fruitful. And so each and every second is our very precious, especially this time. Okay, so be positive, go throughout good literature, read some Gita and all, some good scriptures and some spiritual material. Apply some chanting practices morning with the pranayam. You can do some chanting also, om chanting and all, whatever mantra you believe. And whatever time you get, and that time you can just watch your videos and all, based on some your inspiring ideas, their movies and all, which could give you some good ideas. And maintain diary also, okay, every day what you learn, that kind of diary you can maintain. You can analyze yourself the whole day, wherever you are weak, how much we irritated, how much we frustrated. These all things we need to analyze every day. And we need to wash off the things that the next morning I am going to wake up with a new energy, with a new beginning. All right, that's what I must say to you. And just wish you all the best. God bless you. Stay positive, stay healthy and stay happy.